Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect AWS Cognito for login in an Android app, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Cognito service from the AWS Services menu. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select Create a User Pool to start the setup process. Name your user pool and go to the Review Defaults section. Review the default settings, then click on Create Pool to proceed. Once your pool is created, navigate to the Users and Groups tab. Click on Create User to add a test user. Fill in the required information such as username and password. Ensure you check the option to send an invitation to the user. Next, go to the App Clients tab within your user pool settings. Click on Add an App Client. Enter an app client name and ensure Generate Client Secret is unchecked. Click Create App Client to finalize the setup. Now, navigate to the App Client settings under the App Clients section. Enable the identity providers you wish to use. For this guide, we will use an email-based login. Enable the Cognito User Pool option. Specify the allowed callback URLs for your app. Set the OAuth 2.0 scopes as needed. Click Save Changes to apply the settings. Next, open your Android Studio project where you want to integrate AWS Cognito. Add the necessary dependencies for AWS Cognito in your Gradle file. Sync the project after adding the dependencies. Initialize AWS Mobile SDK in your application by configuring it in the application class. Create a layout file for your login activity containing input fields for username and password. Set up a button for users to trigger the login process. In your login activity, implement the AWS Cognito authentication logic. Use the Cognito user pool to create a user and sign in. Handle the user sign-in response appropriately in your code. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.